Sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sinuman. Kinakailangan, lahat sumasapi dyan, at dahil dito, kinakailangan na pag-isahin na, isaayos na natin ang mga guidelines.
Oh, are you saying there's no AKAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely.
Yung ibang mga sa Senado ay hindi yata nakakaintindi yata kasi hindi yata sila bumababa masyado eh.
Marami raw ang nangangailangan ng pondo ng AKAP at handa rin daw itong ipaglaban ng Kamara.
Kayo, tatanggalin ba natin yung AKAP? O, ano sabihin natin sa mga senador? Tatanggalin ba natin?
Congressman Romualdez, masama ang loob sa pagkakatanggal ng AKAP sa Senado. At mismong pinsang pa niya na si Senador Amy Marcos ang nagpatanggal nito. Kaya tara mga idolo, sabay-sabay nating panoorin. Pero bago yun, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Alright.
Hi, dear.
Yes, wala pa rin pondo doon sa waitlisted, ha? Etong 49.8 na nasa NEP, na dinagdagan natin ng konti, 49.8, 1 billion, parang tawaran talaga sa bilas ang isda, kukulangin pa rin sa totoo lang.
So, out of the 600,000, ilan po mababawas na mga senior citizens at paano nyo pipiliin?
Parang wala pa rin.
Oh.
Wala pa rin na mabibigyan doon sa 600,000 kasi ito pa rin yung carry-over from 2023
Ilang buwan
at
po,
2024.
ilang buwan ang kakulangan sa pagbayad ng social pension? Usually, nakakausap ko 6 months eh.
Wala talaga sila sa listahan at all. Never sila nabayaran. Ni kailan. Ni
These are
minsan.
new,
Ni
mga
anumang buwan.
Mga bagong senior citizens na wala sa listahan. Pero may mga nakakausap po ako na dating tumatanggap, tapos huminto po at may mga backlog sa pagbayad. Wala po sige. Tama na. I know.
Sa palagay ko, hindi dapat mangyayari yun. Yung mga bagong seniors, doon talaga wala tayong pambayad. Pero kung dati nang nasa listahan, baka nadidelay lang or nagkakatagalan lang.
Okay.
Pero dapat mabayaran sila.
Thank you for that assurance. So, yung mga bago pong senior citizens lamang ang hindi nababayaran, pero yung mga dating nang nasa listahan ay backlog, may pera pong nakalaan na dapat mabayaran silang updated. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Tuloy-tuloy ang bayad kung nasa listahan ka na. Ang problema, lumulobo nga yung numero at hindi kinakaya ng ating budget.
Where are the funds? In LGUs remitted by the SWD or in central, in the region?
Yes, the funds are transferred direct to the LGUs.
Okay, so it's the LGU's responsibility to update the payment of social pension for as long as they've received it before. Is
Yan
that
na nga ang
accurate to
problema.
say?
Masipag sila mag-update. Wala naman tayong pambayad.
No, but you said that as long as they've received before, there are funds
Yes, they
transmitted.
should be paying, pero yung sinasabing update, updated sa payment, pero hindi updated sa listahan kasi nadadagdagan nga eh.
Okay. So, wag ko na rin po dagdagang aking tanong kasi lalo po akong nalulungkot sa kakulangan ng ating pagbibigay ng serbisyo publiko. Not to blame the DSWD because they're really very, very hardworking workhorses. I see them every week. Thank you for the service of our payout masters, of those who are only job orders, for those we call even midnight, and those we kinukulit namin kasi tayo rin kinukulit ng mga tao, di ba, na nangangailangan. So thank you to the hardworking women and men of the DSWD led by the very hardworking secretary. So I will no longer ask my long questions because I fully support your budget and I wish I could help you increase if there's some pie we could slice to put it in the SWD. So, yung tanong ni Senate President, Presiding Officer Pro Tempore na AKAP, ibig sabihin po niyan, ang mga senators pwede rin pumunta po sa mga AKAP, ganun ba ho yun? Gusto ko lang malaman yun. I think yun ang gustong malaman nung Senate President Pro Tempore na hindi niya kinumpleto ang tanong niya.
Pwede, pwede siguro. Lahat tayo gate crusher po.
Bakit naman po gate crusher? Kung AX po yan, or AKAP, or SLP, yan po ay puhunan ng gobyerno.
Yeah, that's the funds of the government, so we can.
Yes.
Can we
Okay,
facilitate the
it's
release?
on record. For the first time, naririnig ko, pwede raw po pumunta kahit hindi kumbidado.
Ay, hindi. So, ibig sabihin po, ang AKAP ay parang AX, parang SLP ay maaring puntahan. Anong kaibahan naman po ng AKAP sa AX o pareho lang po?
Alam niyo nakakatuwa yung AKAP dahil biglang sumulpot yan. Wala naman sa NEP, wala naman sa DSWD budget, wala man lang sa wishlist nila. Biglang sumulpot nung nakaraang taon at matapos yun, tinatanong ng lahat, ano ba talaga yung programang yan? Biglang Pebrero, katapusan ng Marso, tsaka lang lumabas yung mga guidelines. Kaya ang sabi nila, minimum wage earners and low income earners. Ang tanong ko, pareho ba yan ng AIX? Eh hindi daw, kasi ito daw minimum wage. At sabi ko, may minimum wage rin na namatayan na tumatanggap ng AIX. Hindi ba pareho yan? Kaya't nakakalito po. At sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sino man. Kinakailangan, lahat sumasapi dyan, at dahil dito, kinakailangan na pag-isahin na, isaayos na natin ang mga guidelines.
So are you
para-
saying there's no AKAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely.
How much did you delete, Mr. President, Madam Chair?
Yes, 39 billion which was added in the House version and 41 billion added for AIX.
And we're saying that the 39 billion in the Senate version was reduced. And where did you put the 39 billion AKAP? Back to
I
AIX?
leave it to the wisdom of the leadership, and I hope that during the BICAM this can be discussed. My recommendation is, while we recognize the necessity of immediate relief by direct financial assistance, it's imperative that we focus also on social protection initiatives such as those mentioned by yourself, the SLP, Kalahi Seeds, which foster long-term development and self-reliance rather than creating a new ayuda nation. Ayaw natin nun, ano? Kaya eto nga, pinopropose ko na sana dagdagan yung iba na developmental at sa kabila nun, ipagkaisa na ang AIX at AKAP para hindi na nagkakaroon ng selusan, ng turuan, ng kalabuan.
Okay. I will stop at that. But to be fair, my brother is a congressman, and I've heard that he helps or joins in AKAP, and the needs of our constituents, our Kasimanwas, are also served. So thank you to the SWD.
Yes,
I am not familiar with AKAP. I know AIX, but whatever name of the program is, malaking tulong po tuwing meron pong darating dyan na DSWD, AIX at Paymaster, nakangiti po ang mga nahihirapan ng ating mga kababayan. So
Tama
I
po
believe
yun.
that
Kaya
it's not
sang-ayon
for
po
me.
ako
Yeah.
na sana pag-isahin na yung pondo para malaking malaki, lahat ng hihingi, mabigyan ka agad, wag na natin paghiwalayin, wala nang turuan, wala nang sisihan, wala nang akuhan na amin lang to, wala nang ganun. Basta may pondo dyan, handa para sa nangangailangan. Ganun lang kasimple. Isahin na natin at sana madali na natin kunin para sa lahat ng target beneficiaries, all persons subsisting below the poverty line, unemployed, formally employed, self-employed, seasonally, periodically employed, those in crisis or emergency situations such as severe, extended illness, disability, death in the family, working in economically hard-hit sectors, victims of natural man-made disaster, calamity, pandemics, war, or other violence. And it shall be used for food, nutritional, medical, funeral services, educational, livelihood, and other financial assistance.
Thank you very
So,
much to the Chair for your very comprehensive answer to my question on the programs of the SWD. And I will probably initiate piece of legislation to institutionalize at least one program, the SLP, assuming that no one has filed that yet. But thank you so much, Madam Chair, for all the information that you've given. And
At sana suportahan rin ninyo itong kung ano man yung pangalan niya, kung AIX o AKAP o ano man pangalan na
Yes.
bago mahanap natin. Sana suportahan rin ninyo ang pagkakaisa nitong pondo at institutionalize na dahil malaking tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
I will leave it to the better judgment of the Chair and the leadership, and I would like to thank Secretary Rex Gatchalian, who is just always half a call away. He answers the calls right away, and if he misses it, he's on a flight, he will text and call you back. That's the epitome of a public servant. So thank you also to all in the SWD, especially the 4A and the 6 and everybody in the regions. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Ligardo. Before I recognize the Majority Leader, only one question, Senator Marcos. What is the difference between AKAP and TUPAD? Because you were saying a while ago, minimum wage.
AKAP po and TUPAD?
Yes.
Ang TUPAD nasa DOLE.
Yes, I know.
Hindi siya sakop ng DSWD.
Ang binibigay niyo ba sa AKAP, minimum wage din? Kasi sa TUPAD, under DOLE, ang binibigay minimum wage. Kung saan ka, kunwari sa Metro Manila, 700 plus, yun din binibigay per day, pero magtatrabaho kayo. What is the difference between AKAP and TUPAD?
Ang TUPAD maliwanag na cash for work. May
Yes.
trabaho. Yung AKAP, binibigay lang.
Magkano po binibigay?
Based sa menu ng pangangailangan. Yung iba't iba, yung burial assistance, medical, hospital, kung
What is the
ano-ano.
maximum amount that you can give an individual?
Ang maximum 10,000. At sinasabi natin na kinakailangan malimitahan sa 6 na buwan. Minsanan lang ang bigay.
One time, big time.
Pero maximum nga 10,000
What is
pesos.
the minimum that you can give from the funds of AKAP?
Ang minimum pangkaraniwan 2,000, 2,000. Pangkaraniwan 3,000.
Alright. Pero hindi mo kailangan pagtrabahuan yan, katulad sa...
Ay, walang
Tupad.
trabaho
Walang
dyan.
trabaho.
Ang sinasabi, sa nangangailangan.
Alright. Thank you very much for enlightening this representation. Majority Leader,
Yes, Mr. President. Next to interpolate is Senator Bongo. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Bongo is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, and to the DSWD led by Secretary Rex Gatchalian. Mr. President, sa dalawang budget hearings po ng DSWD, nanawagan po tayo na huwag po pahirapan ng mga mahirap at bilisan po ang paghahatid ng serbisyo sa nangangailangan, especially po itong AICS, no? Assistance in Crisis Situation, sa mga nangangailangan talaga. Ang tunay na pagmamalasakit, walang pinipili, walang pinapaboran, at walang halong political. Do not be selective. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, bawat buhay, kayo na nagsabi, sabi nyo nga, bawat buhay, mahalaga po sa DSWD. At ako naman po ay full support parati sa ating DSWD for the past 8 years, no? At ako po ay patuloy na sumusuporta naman po sa inyong departamento. Basta tulungan nyo lang po yung mga mahirap nating kababayan. Yan lang po ang pakiusap ko.